So let's talk about why this vitamin C gene is so strong of an evidence for our common ancestry. So first of all, how do genes get turned on and off? Well, it's just random mutation. So sometimes you get a mutation that will turn a gene off. Now, most of the time, if it turns a gene off, meaning it switched one letter to another that makes the gene either not function properly, or it makes the, it was the on-off switch for the gene, and so it doesn't even get expressed. And so these random mutations can turn genes on and off. Now, usually when you turn a gene off, it's lethal. But in the case of this particular gene, it's in the pathway to produce vitamin C. If you turn it off, you can't produce your own vitamin C. But if you're eating vitamin C on a daily basis, you wouldn't even notice that you're not able to make vitamin C. So that's likely the case that was going on back here when we had New World and Old World monkeys, apes, and man all as one single population, their ancestor. They were living in the jungles. There was plenty of vitamin C, lots of fruit consumption. And so when that gene was mutated, it didn't necessarily hurt them. It probably didn't help them either. It's probably just a random genetic event, not necessarily selected for, but not selected against. And so as it gets passed down by generations, and it just tends to fixate because some people reproduce and others don't. It just so happens that the ones with the mutation are the ones that reproduced and continued on. Then we get this particular mutation sticking around. And it wasn't until great apes, i.e. humans, decided to go to sea and be on boats for long periods of time and not have access to vitamin C that we noticed that we had this mutation and people started getting scurvy. So yeah, this really good evidence because we all have the same mutation that this is likely evidence of our common ancestry.